What's going on, everybody? Charlie, Dink Hunter here. Today we're going to be going over August's Mystery Tackle Box Elite. Check it out. Alright, Mystery Tackle Box Elite. Super hot out today. I'm freaking dying, 95 degrees out, but we're going to get through it. So, check this out. Open it up. First time I've ever seen this. Just like you. Let's see what we got inside. Alright, first thing, what's inside? Jerk bait, impact. I like it gives you all the prices for everything, so this way you can see what you're getting. There's a lot of stuff this month, so I'm pretty excited about it. Put that over here. The Dipple tips and tricks, basic every month. A little crossword, something cool to go over. See what else we got. 2-pack of Harmony hooks. 3-pack, sorry, not bad. Doesn't say what size they are, but offset hooks, okay. Lucky John Tioga. Little Ned rig action here. Be nice, especially on these hot days. Try that out. Booyah. Looks like a little cranker. Not bad. A little lipless crankbait there. Wow. Deep Impact 18. Huge crankbait. Getting real deep. What is this? Oh, wow. So you can turn it on. Submerge the lure in water for 5 seconds, remove. Contact points, turn it on, and make some kind of rattling sound in there. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but looks like a little battery pack in there. You can turn this thing on and makes bait fish sounds. Try that out. A little jerk bait here. It's not bad. Bunch of rattles inside. Got some Excite baits. Green pumpkin. Little trailers maybe. Here we got the best lure on tour, huh? Check these out. They have little round hooks in them so you can do a wacky rig hook, and they got a nail weight inside already. Come with a regular hook and a weedless hook. That's pretty cool. Death Wish. Lunkers beware. A little swim bait action. Sticker. And Junk Fishing 101. Just a little better view of what actually came inside the box so you guys can see everything laid out. Not a bad box this month. I cannot complain. Alright, everybody, that's this month's Mystery Tackle Box, the Elite series. If you guys like these videos, give me a like, comment down below. Hit that subscribe button so every month you don't miss them. Thanks for watching.